Hello and welcome to another episode of Muddy River Mixology Monday. This is our first Muddy River Mixology Monday of 2020. Whether you think it's the beginning of the decade or the end of the decade, either way, we took down 2019 with a bang. So, if you guys also did that, we have the perfect cocktail for you guys today. What's our drink today, Caroline?
Today we're doing the Muddy Mary. This is our take on the Bloody Mary with our Silver Carolina Rum.
Of course, we use rum.
Yeah.
We're a rum distillery.
Mm-hmm. So if you need a little hair of the dog to cure your hangover, this is a great one.
Yeah. Or if your New Year's resolution is to drink more vegetables or eat more vegetables, you can drink them here. One of our drinks is a single serving of your vegetables for the day. So, yeah. So what do we got to do to get this drink going? It's pretty easy, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
All right.
Most of ours are, I guess. Well, we're going to start off with our Silver Carolina Rum.
Our Silver Carolina Rum is our first rum that we launched. It's unaged. It's basically off the still, molasses-based rum, and that does pretty well for us.
It's our baby, besides Marty.
Our other baby. Our first child. This one pays the bills, though. Got 18
Marty
more years for that.
Takes all the bills. Or makes all the bills.
All right, so we're doing Silver Carolina Rum. We're going to need
a
shot in each glass. So I'll do that. Maybe a little extra.
A little extra.
It's a new year. Big plans.
New year, new you.
Next up, we're putting in the tomato juice, right?
Yeah.
All right.
We'll do 6 ounces of tomato juice. V8 or whichever you prefer.
Crispy.
Mix that up pretty well. Then we're going to use Texas Heat hot sauce. I'd say start out with like 10 dashes because you need a little more spice in this since you're using the rum to sweeten it up a little. Was that 10?
Looks good to me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Nice.
Can't count and talk, apparently.
Texas Heat is actually made in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. So, despite the name, it's a local product. Super cool. What's this?
This is Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire. So I do about a tablespoon of this too, and it gives it a nice little kick. This is the original Lea Perrins. Good stuff.
Alright, then salt and pepper, right?
Yeah, a little salt and pepper. Salt it first. A little salty dog. I like a lot of pepper in mine, so I might not have a little extra. Oh, you do want it, but you don't like pepper?
Well, for today, I think I do.
Man.
And that's it, right? Now we just gotta stir it around.
That's it. Give it a little stir.
Oh yeah, see the celery stirs great. It's all in the garnish. I mean, the whole drink is important, but the garnish is what makes or breaks a good Bloody Mary. And we've got garnishes covered today.
We got all types
We're gonna
of
put
things.
some bacon in there.
Bacon.
Got some olives, which we love olives, so we're doing a lot of those.
Little olives on the top.
And some shrimp.
Little shrimpies. And those on the side.
Beautiful drink. Look at that.
Yeah. Of course, you can use pre-made Bloody Mary mix too if you have that favorite one.
So that's our drink. Super easy to make. Really gets you going on New Year's Day is when we enjoy these. So hope you guys enjoy. The recipe will be in the description below. You can find more information about our products on muddyriverdistillery.com. Also check us out on our YouTube channel, Muddy River Mixology Monday, Facebook, and Instagram.
No, Pinterest. You've just made a Pinterest.
Maybe Pinterest will be up by the time. I'm all about some
Maybe
Pinterest.
this week, maybe next week.
Yeah, we'll see. We got a lot of bottling to do. Also, stay tuned after this video. We're going to throw some bottling clips in there since we are doing it in record time. Clips of bottling. Time lapse, that's what we're good at here. So, also, don't forget our products are for sale in your North Carolina liquor stores, South Carolina liquor stores, online in the state of Illinois. And, of course, after a tour of our distillery here on the river in Belmont, North Carolina. That's it. Happy New Year and cheers.
Happy 2020. Cheers. I even get my mouth up.
If you did it right. I did it right. That is a good Bloody Mary. Who needs vodka? Muddy Mary.
Rum, 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 rum.
All right.
Yeah, Muddy Mary.
Back to work.
I love you. Little shrimpies.
Tom wants to send us a letter.
Another letter. Add it to the collection.
Hang it on the wall.
I used to have a shirt that said "The Blonde Leading the Blonde." It was from Abercrombie.
I bet
Back
that was
in my
hilarious.
high school days.